Hey guys, it's Laura, your Cheeky Crafter, and today I'm going to be working on a June 2022 sketch challenge from Creative Scrapbooker magazine. This sketch was designed by Jennifer Edwardson for Creative Inc., or Jennifer Edwardson Creative Inc., and this is a bonus sketch. So there's actually another one that's part of the sketch challenge, and then this is a bonus sketch for June 2022. So I thought I would use some photos that my sister-in-law sent me of my twin nieces, and these girls are just the cutest little things. They're about 9 months old in these pictures. They're 10 months old now. So here they are. This is Emmy and Coco. Real names Emery and Collins, but we call them Emmy and Coco. And they are just stinking adorable. So I know the orientation is landscape instead of portrait, but I'm just going to adapt it and work with it because I love these photos so much. And so you can see that the background has 3 different kinds of paper. So I'm going to, I pulled some various different papers trying to figure out what I liked and what matched the girls' outfits. And these were my first 3 pulls. So you can see some busy patterns in that one you can't really see the pattern, but it's got some little blue flowers on it. And then, oh, sorry, there's the paper with the flowers. That one blue is just cardstock. So that blue cardstock in the very back of the background actually has a little texture to it. And then these were the other 3 that I was looking at using. And then I've decided, I don't know that I want to do that. So what I did is I got some solid color white and some solid color pink cardstock and cut them into 4-inch by 12-inch. And then I thought I would emboss each one and then take some ink colors and drag it over the embossed part to get the colors that would match up to the colors in the girls' clothing. So that's what I'm going to do first. So let me do that. Okay, so I got the 2 pieces of paper embossed, and you can see right here in the middle, there's a little section that's not embossed. That's because my embossing folder only goes to about 5.5, and of course the paper is 12. So I did it from each end, but it's going to be okay because the pictures will cover it up, so I'm not too worried. So now I'm going to take and drag the ink across these to bring out what that image that's been embossed. So let me get a sheet of paper to put down to protect my work surface. And then I'm going to be using Gina K inks. Now this first ink that I chose is called Sea Glass. And I thought, oh, let me check. And then I thought, that's a little too greenish teal. It's not quite as blue as I would like for it to be. So I'm going to set that one aside. And I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And this Gina K is called Innocent Pink. And you can see I'm just dragging it across the embossed portion of the paper. And it just, those pieces that are raised, of course, are the only ones that pick up the ink, so it looks really cool. And again, that middle section is going to be covered up, so I'm not terribly worried about it. But I do want to get a better blue color. Okay, so this Gina K color is called Powder Blue, so I'm going to do that and be right back. All right, so apologies, it looks like I lost the video where I cut this pink paper originally, but I decided the mat was too big, so I'm cutting it down a little bit more, about 1/4 inch on each of the papers. But then I realized, I thought maybe I'd rather have some blue paper mixed in instead of just the pink. So I did 2 pink and 2 blue, and I'm going to alternate them. So I'm going to go ahead and get those attached, and then I'll be right back with you. All right, so you can see I've got the pictures attached now, so I'm going on to the embellishments and the decorating. So I'm going to use these sticker letters, and there aren't enough for me to put the girls' names on here. There's literally only like 1 of each letter, except for a couple, they have 2. So like Emmy, E-M-M-Y, I only had 1 M, so I couldn't do her name, and Coco only had 1 C, so I couldn't do hers either. So I'm just going to use the word twins because obviously they're twins. So I'm going to stick those letters down. And then also in this pack of paper are some die-cut flowers, and there's another sticker that would be great for a journaling tag. It says, "What I wish for you." And so I thought I would let her parents write in what they wish for them, because I'll give them this page to put in their album. Then there's another little sticker that says "Cute as a button," and one that says, what does that other one say? "You are loved." So I'll add those 2 stickers, and then I'll get that all together and then see you right back here so that you'll get to see the final layout. So there is the final layout, the sketch, and then the final layout. I hope you've enjoyed. Thanks for watching.